To replace the glow plug wire on a Weber Smoque Pellet Smoker, you'll need a new glow plug wire, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a wrench handy. Unplug the smoker and wait until the grill is fully cool. After the grill is cool, locate the easy access maintenance panel on the front of the hopper and remove the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the maintenance panel. Now, you will need to disconnect the glow plug wire from the maintenance panel. Pinch and pull the connector on the circuit board to disconnect the glow plug from the grill. Pinch and pull the connector on the motor to disconnect from the grill. Unclip the glow plug wire from the wire clips in the front of the maintenance panel. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, uninstall the fan from the grill. This will allow the glow plug wire to pull through and out of the cookbox. Remove the grates, grease sheet, and the heat diffuser from the cookbox. Then, unscrew the wing screws from the burn pot and remove the burn pot. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the glow plug mounting bracket. You may need to use a wrench to loosen the fasteners. Remove the nut that connects the blue glow plug wire and the bolt that connects the silver glow plug wire to the glow plug mounting bracket. Gently pull the glow plug wire from the cookbox and out through the maintenance panel. Now you can replace the glow plug wire. To do this, you'll need to thread the new glow plug wire through the auger and fan opening and ensure the wires are secured in the side notch. Reconnect the glow plug wire to the grill. Reconnect the motor to the grill. Reclip the glow plug wire into the wire clips towards the front of the maintenance panel. Reinstall the fan. Pull the glow plug wire through the auger channel and reconnect the glow plug mounting bracket, ensuring the nuts are tight. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, reinstall the glow plug mounting bracket. Put the burn pot back and replace the wing screws. Put the heat diffuser, flavorizer bars, grease sheet, and grates back into the cookbox. Put the maintenance panel back and secure the screws. Plug in the smoker and get cookin'. For more information, visit Weber.com or contact Consumer Care.